No, I'm trying to. I have boyfriend before, a Filipino boyfriend,
Mm-hmm.
and I asked him to get my virginity.
Mm-hmm.
Then, and that time that my virginity already
Lost your
lost.
Mm-hmm.
So that time I go inside the bar.
Ah,
But
so you're
it's still it's
tight,
tight.
because
Oo.
it's only happened once,
Just
right?
only
Mm.
half of her penis of his penis go inside. Not totally the full penis go inside my.
So when you work in the bar, do you? Because I'm sure you said you still not totally virgin,
Mm-mm,
totally lost your virginity.
yeah.
Do you tell your mama son that you still a virgin?
Yes, but
Mm.
she said, um, you already have Filipino boyfriend, so I think you're not already virgin.
So, but you know yourself, you're a
Yeah.
virgin, right?
Yes, yes, I
Yeah,
know.
I don't know some of the girls, especially this is for true, right? Especially you like to party to have fun,
Mm-mm.
and then if you tell them that you're not virgin, they won't believe you because
Yes.
the way how you
Mm-mm.
act and
Mm-mm.
how
Yeah.
you flirt with your
Mm-mm.
friends,
Yes.
they will be judging you. I knew a girl, as she said, we knew that she's still a virgin until now, and then the girls that really don't know her that said, "Oh, she's not a virgin because she's said this." Then we told her, "Girl, maybe, maybe you're not the one who's not virgin.
Yeah, yeah.
She just act like that, but
Yeah.
still,
Mm-mm.
I don't
That's
know."
what happened to me.
So the first time you worked there, I'm sure before they said that